Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Most people believe the sustainable development goals are only for governments, big corporations or international bodies like the UN. But the truth is very different. SDGs depend on individuals or people like you and me who can make thousands of decisions every single day. These small choices multiplied by millions shape our planet's health, our society and our future. In this session, we will explore how each SDG connects to your daily life, your family and your career, your business and your community, and how small, consistent actions can create massive positive change before 2030. Now, understanding SDGs in simple words. The Sustainable Development Goals are 17 global goals designed to end poverty, protect the planet and ensure prosperity for all by 2030. They cover everything: education, environment, health, economy, justice, gender, equality, water, climate, cities, and more. But what makes them powerful is the idea that everyone has a role. From reducing waste to supporting quality education, from saving energy to being fair in business, each goal invites personal action. SDG 1. No poverty. What you can do. Contributing to SDG 1 doesn't require becoming a billionaire or starting an NGO. You can support by helping underprivileged communities through volunteering, donating clothes or food, supporting local artisans, or mentoring someone to get a job. You can also buy from small businesses instead of only purchasing from big brands. These everyday choices uplift families and strengthen local economies. Now SDG 2. Zero hunger. Small steps, big impact. Food waste is one of the biggest reasons hunger still exists. You can contribute by planning meals, buying only what you will consume, and storing food properly. Supporting local farmers, choosing seasonal produce, and donating extra food can also help fight hunger. Even sharing awareness on safe food storage or nutrition can make a difference. Now SDG 3. Good health and well-being. Start with yourself. Your health is a contribution to global development. Eating clean, staying active, sleeping well, reducing stress, and helping others adopt healthy habits directly support SDG 3. Avoiding smoking, reducing alcohol, and encouraging mental health conversations make your community healthier. Volunteering at health camps or supporting blood donation drives is another strong action. Now SDG 4. Quality education. Teach, share, support. You don't need to be a teacher to support education. You can volunteer to teach children, donate unused books, support online learning, or simply help someone apply for scholarships. Lifelong learning is also part of SDG 4. So keep upgrading yourself and motivate others to learn new skills. Now SDG 5. Gender equality. Change starts at home. You contribute to gender equality when you reject stereotypes, share responsibilities at home, respect women's choices, support girls' education, and encourage equal opportunity in workplaces. Speak up against discrimination when you see it. Silence supports inequality. Now we have SDG 6. Clean water and sanitation. Use water like it is precious. Small actions like fixing leaks, using bucket baths instead of long showers, collecting rainwater, avoiding chemical detergents, and preventing waste dumping into water bodies contribute to SDG. You can also support clean sanitation by promoting hygiene practices in your community. SDG 7. Affordable and clean energy. Save energy, live better, switching off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, adopting solar solutions, choosing public transport, and reducing AC usage all contribute toward clean energy. Energy-saving behaviors not only reduce bills, but also protect the environment. Now we have SDG 8. Decent work and economic growth. Work ethically, contribute by being productive, honest, and ethical at work. Support local businesses, encourage financial literacy, and help create fair opportunities. If you run a business, follow labor laws, pay fair wages, and ensure safe working conditions. SDG 9. Industry innovation and infrastructure. Be innovative. Innovation is not just for scientists. It is for everyone who finds better, smarter ways to do simple tasks. You can support SDG 9 by learning digital tools, promoting STEM education, supporting startups, and encouraging young innovators in your community. Now we have SDG 10, Reduced Inequality. Stand for fairness. Inequality reduces when individuals treat others fairly, regardless of caste, gender, religion, or background. Practicing inclusiveness, supporting marginalized communities, encouraging equal access to opportunities, and avoiding discrimination are powerful contributions. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities. Your city, your responsibility. Your city becomes sustainable when you follow traffic rules, use public transport, plant trees, support waste segregation, and maintain cleanliness. Participating in local environmental drives or community activities also makes urban spaces better for everyone. Now we have SDG 12, Responsible Consumption. Buy smart. Stop buying things you don't need. Choose reusable products over single-use plastics. Repair instead of replacing. Support eco-friendly brands and reduce food waste. Track your monthly consumption and make choices that benefit your wallet and the planet. Now we have SDG 13, Climate Action. Your actions count. Climate change is real and your daily choices matter. Reduce your carbon footprint by saving energy, planting trees, using bicycles, or walking when possible. Eating more plant-based meats and reducing waste. Teach others about climate reality and encourage environmental responsibility. Then we have SDG 14, Life Below Water. Protect oceans. Avoid dumping plastic waste. Reduce consumption of seafood from endangered species. Support ocean cleaning initiatives and reduce chemical usage in daily life. Even switching to eco-friendly shampoo or detergent reduces water pollution. Then we have SDG 15, Life on Land. Protect nature, planting trees, protecting wildlife, avoiding products made from endangered species. Reducing paper usage and participating in local biodiversity programs help protect our forests and ecosystems. Encourage others to appreciate and protect nature. Then we have SDG 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. Be a good citizen. Promote justice by being honest, refusing corruption, supporting transparency, following laws, and encouraging fairness. Speak against injustice and support initiatives that promote peace in communities. SDG 17, Partnerships. Collaborate for change. Collaboration multiplies impact. Partner with local NGOs, schools, community groups, youth clubs, or workplaces to run campaigns, awareness programs, donation drives, and sustainability projects. SDGs succeed only when people work together. Now, how you can take SDG action daily? Daily actions include using less plastic, saving water, saving electricity, eating mindfully, avoiding waste, working ethically, staying healthy, helping others, being inclusive, learning continuously. These choices become habits, and habits become lifelong contributions to global development. Now, SDG action plan for your life. Create a simple SDG plan. Pick 3 SDGs you connect with. Identify 10 actions you can take. Make a weekly routine. Track your progress. Involve your family or friends. This converts ideas into measurable results. Now, SDGs at workplace. Lead with purpose. In your workplace, encourage waste management, energy conservation, safety practices, ethical compliance, fair hiring, training programs, health activities, and diversity. A sustainable workplace supports the SDG mission automatically. Now, SDGs in business. Profit with purpose. Businesses can contribute by adopting cleaner technologies, using renewable energy, reducing emissions, supporting gender equality, enabling skill development, and maintaining fair supply chains. Encourage your company to align policies with SDGs. Now, SDGs and digital platforms. Use technology for good use. Social media to spread awareness. Now, SDGs and digital platforms. Use technology for good. Use social media to spread awareness. Promote sustainable habits, share inspiring stories, support green campaigns, and follow ethical online behavior. Digital influence is a powerful tool in SDG progress. And your commitment matters. The SDGs are not just global goals, they are your goals, your future. Every action you take protects your family, your city, your community, and the planet. If millions commit to small SDG actions every day, we will create the world we dream of: cleaner, healthier, safer, fairer, and more equal. Start today with one simple step and let it grow into a movement, because sustainable development starts with you. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.